Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a smiling cat face with heart eyes emoji. So let's get started. To draw this love cat emoji, we're going to first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come here and basically draw a heart that's at a slant. So I'm going to start with the first heart, and this is going to be my center of the heart, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw one side first. So I'm just giving it an angle, so I'm kind of aiming for this kind of angle, and I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to draw the other side. There. So now to draw the other side, I'm going to come right across, just giving it a little bit of space, not too much. And to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to start with this curve that's closest to this heart, so I can kind of figure out approximately where to put the other heart. So I'm going to start with that curve, and I'm going to come right up here, about say here, for the top of my heart, so I know about approximately how high. And I'm going to look at this point down here, so let's bring this down. So I'm going to bring this across, about right here. So I'm just giving these measurements just so I can pretty much figure out where to put the heart on the other side. But you don't have to, you can just wing it and draw the other heart. Okay, so from there now I have this basic shape. I'm just going to come in here and now finish my heart. So it's also at this angle now, and I'm going to draw the other side. There. Okay, so I have the two heart eyes in. Let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw the nose. So right in between here, I'm just going to draw a curve. And I'm going to round it off on the sides. And I'm going to connect it with a soft V in the center. And go right back. There. Okay, so then now the mouth. I'm going to come right under the nose. So say about, give myself some space. I'm going to come about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And I'm going to come right across on the other side, about right here. And I'm going to use those 2 points to connect a curve for my smile. And come right back up. So then now to draw a deeper curve for the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a deeper curve and come right back up. There. And then you can come in here if you like. You can either shade this all black, or if you like, you can come in here and just draw a curve for a tongue. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the eyes, nose, and the mouth. Now let's draw the head. So I'm going to come right where we started this heart, really close to this edge right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve. So on both sides. So really close to the heart. And from that, I'm going to draw a big dome over the cat for the head. So this is going to be my center. So about right there, I'm just going to eyeball it to be my highest point. About right there. And now I'm going to start to come down. Okay, so we have that pretty much in, pretty even on both sides. Now I'm going to bring this down. And I'm going to kind of look at this point where I started the mouth and come out. So I'm going to come kind of straight. And as I come to this area, I'm going to start to wing it in, curve it in. So kind of like where the mouth is. So same thing over here. Just bring it in. And kind of where the mouth is, you can start to bring it in. Okay, so then we're going to basically be drawing a sharp curve that comes right under the mouth. So let's go ahead. And I'm going to aim for this part to be my lowest, so in the center, so say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And I'm just going to aim for that point. And from there, go back up. Okay, finally, right? Okay, so now we have that in. Let's draw the whiskers and start to make it look like a cat. So in this area, between the eyes and the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and draw some whiskers. Let's see here. One, the original emoji has 3. I'm just going to simplify and make it only 2. So I'm going to go in here and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. So go right here. There, I get the 2 whiskers in. Now the ears. So in this area, at this slanted area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. Round off the tip and bring it in. And let's draw the inside. So we're just going to follow the outside of our ear. And now to draw the other side. Bring this point right across. So about right there. And about right there. Just approximate. And we're just going to go up with our curve. I'm going to bring this point across. Approximately that high. Get my little tip area on the top and bring it down. From there, let's go ahead and draw the inside once again of our ear. And of course, I'm going to add some stripes. So I'm going to come right to the center if you like. And add some stripes for our cat right here. So I'm just going to add 3. And let's just add a little curve right here above each eye, just kind of like a slant. And that's pretty much it for this cat emoji. Now let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love how this cute cat in love emoji turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.